Hi, welcome back. In order to write quality content, you may have to target a lot of latent semantic index keywords or LSI keywords and include them in your content. LSI keywords are nothing but related keywords. These are the keywords that are related to the seed keyword, not merely synonyms, but related. For example, the words like yoga, retreat, body, mind, meditation, breathing are all related to each other. While writing about yoga, you may naturally use these words. And that's why they are LSI keywords. Now, how can you find LSI keywords? It's pretty simple. Search for a glossary of terms for a seed keyword. Let's go ahead and find the glossary of terms for the word yoga. There you go, a huge list of yoga-related keywords in alphabetical order. Now let me show you two more ways to find LSI keywords. Let's go to Amazon.com now. Let's search for yoga for dummies. Books from dummies.com are very comprehensive and well researched. So let's make use of them. Let me click on the second result, Yoga All-in-One for Dummies. Now let's click on this Look Inside. And let's go to Contents page. There you go, Table of Contents. Now you can find tons and tons of LSI keywords in this page. For example, mind-body connection is an LSI keyword for yoga. Fruitful yoga. Standing tall. Yoga twist. Dynamic postures. Yoga for kids. Power yoga. Warm-ups. Powerful warm-ups. Exploring push-downs. And so on. You may go through the contents page in full and note down as many LSI keywords as possible. Now let me show you another resource. Let's type in yoga plus Wikipedia. Again, go to the contents page. There you go. Like classical yoga, Ashtanga yoga, Hatha yoga, Vedic ascetic practices, Upanishads, Tantra, Vajrayana. These are related keywords for the word yoga. So note down these keywords and include these keywords in your content to make your content very powerful. Any content with plenty of LSI keywords will definitely outrank your competitors. But the most important part is while using LSI keywords, the content should look natural. So please make sure of that.